Alright, gang, so as you can see, everything is out the way. And all I gotta do is start the paint process. You feel me? So yeah, man, I just wanna fast so I can get through the traffic like a NASCAR. Close your eyes and hold on tight, we bout to blast off. Look, baby, we topping out, we on this asphalt, yeah. And I just wanna speed away the pain. Girl, if you ride with me, then please don't say a thing. You know I got it, girl, so don't look at me strange. I'll keep you safe, girl, as I live from lane to lane. Man, I just want a fast car. I be grinding like this, I just smoke my last go. What up, Last Route Gang? Back with another video. I know I should have been recorded this and I should have done this shit early, you know what I'm saying? But it's good. So basically what we doing, man, we about to paint the brake rotors. Not the brake rotors, I'm sorry, the brake calipers. About to paint the brake calipers. So my vision for this, I wanted to kind of do it the same color as the car. And put the blue Brembo, I mean the black Brembo letters on there. But I said, you know what, I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna go with a color that everybody always go with. I already know, you know what I'm saying? The red is one of the colors that a lot of people normally do. But the only reason I'm gonna do it red is because of this here. I feel like with this little red dot right here, even though it's real small, I feel like it'll bring that out some, you know what I mean? Like people will kind of notice the red because they'll see red, you know what I mean? So we gonna do that, but we already painted the exhaust pipe. My exhaust pipes was chrome at first, and I've always wanted black exhaust pipes, so we went on ahead and painted the exhaust pipes. I should have vlogged it, but I can show y'all what it look like now. So my exhaust pipes are black right now, and I'm gonna tell you the product I use, man, and this probably hands down is one of the best to when you're trying to paint like rims or even your exhaust pipes, you know what I'm saying? It's called Expert Acrylic Enamel. Now I got semi-gloss. I was trying to find a gloss black because the gloss black got a little bit more shine, but I couldn't find it. So basically what I did was I bought some gloss crystal clear. So the shine that I was looking for in the gloss, I'll get it with this. So, you know, just little stuff, you know, do DIY, do it yourself type of things, you know what I mean? So basically how you want to paint your brake calipers. And I know they probably got videos out here of people doing this already, but I figured, you know, I ain't posting nothing in a while, so why not use this as a video? So basically you want to take regular sandwich bags, not sandwich bags, I'm sorry, what am I talking about? Don't mind me, guys. I'm tired. You want to take grocery bags, you know what I'm saying? And you basically want to cover up your rotor and any other thing that you don't want to get, you know, the paint on. So what I try to do my best is just try to cover up everything that I know for sure I'm gonna wind up touching with the paint, you know. So as long as it's covered, you straight, you safe. Even if you have to rip the bags open and just lay them across or get some tape, you know, even tape will work if you were to just tape it to the car. But I'm gonna just lay it across because I think I'm good enough to not hit the parts that, you know, I don't want to hit. So as long as you just lay it across like this, you should be okay. That way once you go to painting, you know what I'm saying, any little excess paint gonna hit the bag. See, like in an area like this, tape will probably be better. It's okay.
I think we got tape inside.
Okay, well, you know, if you can get some tape, that'll be perfect because we can cover up this little part here.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the video.
Alright, gang, we back now. So we had some tape. It's not like the best tape, but it's like doctor tape. Any type of tape will work, so don't really matter. But so yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and tape it up, you know. So let's see. It's a little quick little tape job. You know, there's always a way to do something without having to spend money, you know what I mean? Like, well, not big money, you know what I'm saying? It's always cheaper DIY ways to do this stuff. just take a little time and effort. You know what I mean? So as long as you can believe that you can do it, more than sure you can. Alright, gang, so as you can see, everything is out the way. And all I gotta do is start the paint process. You feel me? So, alright, so I actually covered this part up too because it was a little orange part under there. And I just wanted to be sure, so now just gonna get the paint. Oops. We'll turn it back now. Sorry, y'all. Close off again. First time doing this, man. I seen a friend of mine do it, so I knew it wasn't hard to do. And you're gonna want to do more than one coat of this. Every so often you want to shake the can up. I mean, telling y'all something that y'all probably already know. So that's good for the first little coat. Let that dry and see if we need another one. So yeah, gang, that's all I want to share, man. It's simple stuff, you know what I'm saying? My next thing I want to do, and I may do it tonight, I'm not sure, but I want to paint all my plastic pieces because I hate that ashy, you know, black look. You know what I'm saying? I kind of want it to have that gloss. I wish Ford would have done that from the factory, you know, just have it gloss. So what I'm thinking about doing is just gloss painting it myself. I got to decide on if I want to get some painter's tape and tape up, you know, my entire side parts of the car, or if I want to just take it all off. I mean, I just want to kind of see what I feel like doing, because trying to take this stuff off, man, this is probably not that easy. So, you know, if I do leave it on, I want to make sure I protect my paint and I don't want to get any of that overspray on it. So yeah, so gang, like I showed y'all how to do one, you know what I mean? So it's gonna take us time to do all of them, so I'm not gonna bring y'all through the entire process. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the rest of them. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. You did. Peace. All right, gang, like I told y'all, I was gonna give y'all the little full, you know what I'm saying, sight of everything that I did. You feel me? So pulled up under the gas station at the racetrack just so I can get some better light, you know what I mean? So without further ado, man, let me show y'all what I did. Can't tell me that shit. Yeah. Crazy shocking part is I know this dot is so small, but in all actuality, man, I swear it felt like the brake calipers bring that little dot out. I could be tripping. Maybe I'm reaching, maybe I'm over exaggerating, I don't know. But I think I like it. It look good like this, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's not like too much red, you know what I'm saying? It's like actually perfect. So I'm rocking with that, you know what I mean? And man, I can't just show you just like this yet. Let me bring it back here first before I show you. You know what I'm saying? Man, them pipes came out looking so good. Oh. You can't tell me that. It don't look like it came like that, you know what I'm saying? You can't tell me that. That shit look like it came like that. That's gloss black, you know what I mean? That shit gloss black. All done by me, man. Some tight
man. She's still clean. She's still nice looking. But yeah, man, between the exhaust pipes and the damn calipers, man, I can see that it definitely bought it out. It made the 5 look just that much better. You feel me? Yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I got some more shit about to start rolling through. You know what I'm saying? I got some races and shit we about to do. You know, me and the guys think we talking about clicking back up again because, you know, we took us a nice little break. But I think it's time for us to pop out again. You know what I'm saying? So, man, y'all stay tuned for that. You dig? You know, so until the next video, man. Get at your boy. Peace. What up, gang? So it's the next morning, man, and I just wanted to see what it looked like in the daytime and show you guys what it looked like in the daytime. You know, when I did all this, it was nighttime, so it looked pretty damn good, man. I'm not gonna lie. You know, so without further ado, man, I'm gonna show y'all. Man, I don't know if you guys remember how it looked when it was chrome. It looks so much better black. So much better. And that's nice. I like that. It's like, it's not too flashy. It's noticeable. It's definitely noticeable. But it's not like, you know, it almost looked like it come like that, you know what I mean? Because I want to say the brakes that come on these cars. Excuse me, guys. The brakes that come on here with a 6 pistons, because this is the 4 piston Brembos. Because I don't have the performance pack. But the 6 piston Brembos, I want to say it come red, if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, kind of look like this how it comes. So, don't look bad at all. And to me, man, I know it's like real small, but you can kind of see the little red dot more, you know what I'm saying? Like, I noticed the dot more because it's almost like that the brakes make you see that color more, you know what I mean? Like, it brings that out. What's that, brother? Like, it bring that color out, you know what I'm saying? To me, it look better, man. Like, and also, like, the little red right there on the back of the side marker, even though that's not gonna stay red, but for now, you know what I'm saying, you can see that too. It like brings that out. But yeah, that's about to actually get tinted black, you know what I'm saying? The same thing with my reverse light. She looking good right now, man. You know what I'm saying? She looking real good. But that's all I want to show you guys, man. I just wanted to give y'all the look of it in the daytime, so you know you can actually see everything a lot better. Yeah, I'm definitely liking it. Yeah. All right, gang. If y'all haven't already, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. Definitely got more videos coming. Got a bunch of races about to start happening. Like I said, I already done talked to the gang, man. You know, we got some ride outs. We about to do some races. You know, a lot of people done some mods to their cars, man. They trying to see what they do against other ones. You know what I mean? So, you know, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all definitely about to get some content. So holla at your boy, man. Peace.
Man, I just want a fast car. I be grinding like this. I just smoke my last car.